Got this golf cart pulling me home from the dump. So we towed this thing home from the dump. It needs some work, but it's kind of cobbled up, but I don't care. You see here. So it's a Yamaha golf cart with a Honda engine. There's a, let's see, there's like a cable. Whoever did it, I think that guy died, he was old. There's a cable that goes to this gas pedal, and then it does that and tensions the belt. Well, I gotta weld up some stuff on it, then it'll work. So yeah, put a windshield in it, mirrors, some fancy lights there, horns up there, rear view mirror. Oh yeah, she's fancy. Honda and all this. So this is the throttle. Oh, that one's for nothing. And then this is the go cable. I'm gonna weld her up and get her going here. We're gonna weld up that pulley. Okay. Now you can see the cobbled up deal how this, whoever did this, they had ideas, because see that there? It tensions the belt, but there's no, and oh, that battery looks good. But so I don't know, this one ain't hooked up to nothing, it's just over there. This one here is the throttle. Look at all that goes. Ooh, that's great. Ooh, that's fancy. Let's see. I'm gonna hook up the battery. I put some gas in it already. Let's see. Gas is in there. Come on here. Let's see. Good dump belt screw. Well, she wants to go. Alright. I got it running already. There's no reverse if you put the belt that way. So I have to back it out of the garage here. Oh, she starts right up. See if the belt squeal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like that tension cable down there. Brakes work. Ooh, brakes work. Here we go here. Oh, she's got all the rest. car behind me. She likes to turn to the right for some reason. Pretty good for free. Good for free. Damn, almost fell out of the thing. Belts are squealing, or belts. She runs pretty good for free, I'll tell you that.
Dang. You got shocks, pegs. Lucky. You ever take it off any sweet jumps?
Oh yeah. Clean some of this out. This here. That's super clean result. See? Get the wires clean. Probably hurt my back or something. Anyways, I'll get it out. And show you that this thing starts, maybe. Alright, so our motor mounts are all welded in. Yeah, don't worry about my dump. Find the angle I am. Alright, we got this mounted, all welded. We're just gonna wait for our other pulley that's on order, but it's getting closer and closer. Now we're gonna see how it rides in here. Okay. Oh yeah. All mounted in there. I'm going to take a right off the exhaust and come out here, or come back here with a stack and a ignition switch. Wonder if it works. Oh, exhaust fell down. Should have tacked it.
And D&D Speed Shop, he's doing a 440 swap, and we're gonna make about 9 or 10 videos.
Yep.
How dare you!
The 440 swap. We got the fence post exhaust. That's sweet.
Dang! You ever take it off any sweet jumps?
I gotta put a gas tank on. Got the starter from Joe Ewald. We got that there. Would have solenoid. Start it up one more time. So I got it done as much as I could until I get one pulley, and that's for the drive of it. So there you go. 440 swap. Ignition switch. Wonder if it works.
Dang! You ever take it off any sweet jumps?